Good morning, good morning. Y'all, it is 5:30 in the morning, a.m. And it is, I want to say May 16th or May 17th. May 17th, Saturday. And we are headed to Atlantic Beach. I got my bathing suit on. I got my cover-up pants on. This is Nova's first beach trip. Super excited. Now, we're only staying for today. We're coming right back home because it's like a 2 hours and 15-minute ride. So that's cool. We might stop by and see some of our family in New Bern and Trenton, North Carolina. Who knows? But yeah, we ready to hit the road. I'll see y'all when we get in the car. No.
Are you want some fish fries?
She had one in there. Ooh.
You want to put it on your...
You say you don't like that food over there.
Should be alright.
I mean, crazy down. Ooh, that shit cold. That shit cold.
Let's back up just a little bit.
Here it comes again.
Whoa, Papa.
She don't want to move.
Here, let's pass you in your pocket.
My buttocks wet now.
All right, y'all. So we back home from the beach. Michael, how you feel?
I look how I feel.
Yes. Now we're about to run to Sam's Club, go to the Asian market, and we're gonna come back home and just chill because we tired. But I gotta go to Sam's Club, getting over some diapers and get some wipes and some other some plug-ins and stuff for the house. We're trying to get some gas right now. Yeah, y'all.
Sean needs deodorant.
Oh, they gotta get them some
We gotta
deodorant.
get us some deodorant. So,
Yeah.
luckily, we can share a pack.
They got an orange flavor. Oh, scallop flavor. I guess we just have to get one of those. The panda one. Do it say oyster? Down there at the bottom. Isn't that oyster sauce? Let's get a smaller one. Let's get that smaller one for $3.49. Yeah, we got our groceries. Yeah, they had some good little sales. I got some of those pork ribs, and they had blue crab 7. Oh, it went away, but yeah. They normally have all their sales. This is the store I'm at in Wilmington Street. All right, y'all. So we are going to Super G Mart International Market in Pikesville, North Carolina. Not too far from Charlotte. So let's just see. I came here to look for one thing. All right, y'all. They got a lot of stuff here. It's big, but it ain't that big. They have a lot of different Kit Kats, strawberry chocolate. They have the strawberry Kit Kats. So the Kit Kats are $5.99. They have the milk tea ones. So they also have Trois de Jours, which is this bakery here. So we have one of these as well in Raleigh. Have a lot of different baked goods. Lots of pastries, danishes, breads. Y'all look at these potato chips. And it has Valentina hot sauce. I ain't never seen that before. Comment below if I ever seen that. They have this whole aisle up here of all type of herbs and seasonings. And they come in a bag, which is so great. Stuff you won't really see everywhere. You got this curry powder right here. Sesame seeds. Look at the big bay leaves. Y'all know I cook my seafood food with this, but I've never seen it in this size bag like that. That's what's up. I might actually get those bay leaves. They got anise, which is good for pho. Lots of different seasonings. Indian seasonings. Yeah. Oh, they got star anise powder. Okay. Crushed pepper, crushed chilies. I need to get some of these to make some fried chili oil. Crushed chilies. And over here they got all different type of flours that you can use. Look at these sauces. They have different hot sauces. Tango mango. Dried diced pickles and juice. They have onion pickle, drumstick pickle, stuff I've never even heard of. Y'all, they have like a lot of, so I'm gonna try this ground chili and garlic and oil, but they also have the full pack right here. So I use this blue pack for my pho, but they also have it like this in a jar. So I'm gonna definitely try this jar one. They have a lot of stuff. Y'all know I make pho all the time. I'm gonna make pho for our cooking channel. Let's see. All right, they have where you can get fresh seafood, all type of meats and stuff. Brain!